In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Teams chat history. Whether you need this for record keeping, auditing, or just peace of mind, exporting your chat history is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to head over to your Microsoft account. This is your main hub for all things Microsoft, so it's a good place to start. Once you're there, look for the Privacy section. You can usually find this by browsing through the settings or using the search feature if it's being a bit elusive. Privacy settings are essential because they manage how your data is shared and accessed, so it's quite central to our task today. Next, you're going to want to locate the section titled Find Privacy Settings in Microsoft Products. This area is designed to give you a detailed overview of the privacy controls specific to each of Microsoft's services. Look for it carefully. It's like the control center for your data preferences on Microsoft's vast array of products. After that, navigate over to the Teams section. Microsoft Teams is specifically listed here because it has its own set of privacy settings and controls, given how widely it's used for communication within organizations. Once you've clicked on Teams, you'll see an option to select Chat History. This is your gateway to exporting the chats you've had on Teams. Think of it as accessing your conversation vault, which is safeguarded by Microsoft but accessible to you when needed. To actually begin the export process, click on Submit Request to download your chat history. This request sends a signal to Microsoft servers to start gathering all your chat data into a downloadable format. It might take a little time, given the amount of data that needs compiling. Finally, while you might be ready to get right into downloading, you'll need to wait for a notification. This will let you know that the data is ready to download. Microsoft will usually send a link directly to you, either via email or through a direct alert within Teams, so keep an eye out for it. Once you have the link, you can click it to download your exported chat history in your preferred format, and there you have it. Exporting your Microsoft Teams chat history is that simple. Now you're equipped to archive and review your communications whenever necessary. I hope you found this guide helpful and it empowers you to manage your Teams data more effectively. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.